Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this eye look. I did use the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I have been showing a lot of this palette because I've been obsessed with it a lot more than I ever would have expected. So if you guys are interested in finding out more and kind of taking a look at this eye look that I created, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so I've been meaning to really bring this video out to you guys. I've just been so busy and my weekends are jam-packed. So I decided to go ahead. I was already doing some filming today on the products that I have on my face, which I'm not sure which one you guys will see, but it is using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh their Pretty Fresh collection, their tinted moisturizer and stuff. If that video already went up, I will leave it down below. But anyway, I've been so in love with this collection. I ended up winning a giveaway on Instagram with these three amazing ladies. I don't think any of them are actually on YouTube, but I'm planning on posting this on my IGTV. So make sure to check their pages out. They are incredible. I love them so much. They are just so kind and sweet, and you're gonna love them. If you're following me, I promise you will love their pages. They're so inspirational, they're just loving, caring, and they're so accepting. So definitely check their pages out. But this is what the palette looks like. I'm telling you, I have not used any other palette since I got this. It's all I've been using, and the shadows last for so long. I don't even use a primer with it. It did come with the primer potion in honey. I didn't even use it. I kept forgetting to pick it up because I always prime my eyes with my concealer, and I honestly just kept forgetting. So I definitely need to like put this right in front of me so I can make sure I use it. So I did use the palette. I've used a ton of the colors, as you can see. Like, they are just amazing. I discovered Urban Decay as one of the first brands that I immediately fell in love with, and the Naked 3 is honestly my top favorite palette. I use that on a lot of brides. This one is so fun. It can be super bold but super natural as well. It's just a gorgeous palette. I'm really impressed. When I first saw it on the when they launched it, or when they were about to launch it, I wasn't like super excited about it, and then oh my gosh. And then I saw my friend Stevie.cakes on Instagram. She created the most amazing look. I'm like, oh, I need that palette. I need it in my life. And then I saw my friend Evelyn, one of the girls that I won the giveaway from. She created a look. I was like, oh my gosh, like it was just, I kept seeing look after look after look. And then I originally entered the giveaway to win this for my mom, and my mom had already gotten it. Like, she had already purchased it, and so I ended up keeping it. I was really excited to get this because I was gonna wait for it to even go on sale to purchase it, because these palettes always end up going on sale at one point or the other. But anyway, I also ended up getting like a body shimmer, which I haven't opened up yet, a setting spray, which is somewhere in this disaster of mine, and then this honey lip plumper, which I'm wearing today. I am wearing my Emily Cordon lip balm in Charlotte, and because my lips are super dry, and then I put a little bit on top, and this is so nice. It's not sticky whatsoever. It tingles a little bit, kind of like the Boxycharm glosses, so it's very almost like that mint feel on your lips, but it doesn't burn like the Too Faced lip injections. Ooh, that burns. This just makes your lips look juicy, kissable. I just love it. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Let me know if you guys are planning on picking this up for yourself or for somebody. The holidays are coming up, so let me know. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this palette. And I think that's it, you guys. Again, I really hope that you enjoy it, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Mwah.